Hello guys, today we're going to talk about graph inequalities. Basically, inequalities functions contain this or this or this or this. These four symbols, and these two have different traits, and this one is like a dotted line, and this would be like a straight solid line. You might not understand what these are if you didn't learn about this, so I'll give an example. Let's say x is smaller than 2. If you graph this, we all know that x equals 2 is this line over here, and it's saying that x is smaller than 2, so this part would be the answer. You just have to color this part. You should not color this part because 3, 4, 5 is bigger than 2 and it doesn't qualify this function. And another example would be x is smaller or equal to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as I told you before, oh sorry guys, this should be in a dot form. As I told you before, these looking symbols should be in a dot form, so like this, and this should be in a straight solid line. If it is and smaller and smaller or equal to 5, so it'll be like this. I'm sorry guys, if it's just smaller than 2, then it's a dotted line, but if it contains this number, then it should be a straight solid line. Next example would be y is smaller or equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would contain 5, so we just make a solid line. And it's smaller than 5, so it would be like this. And next is y is smaller or equal to 2x minus 5. So we first have to graph 2x minus 5, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 up, 2, 1 right, 2 up, 1 right, 2 up, 1 right, 2 up. So, and because this is a solid line, and for this thing, every time you see this kind of function, or even any even linear or quadra or any this kind of function which looks like this, you consider this upper part a y and this down part a x. So because the x part is greater or equal, you just call it this part. If it was opposite like that, then this part will be circled. So for example, x squared, and let's say x squared is bigger or the same, because y equals x squared looks like this, and x squared is bigger, so it will basically be this thing, and if it was the opposite, then it would be this thing. Do you see what I mean? Okay, so basically this is the basic graphing inequalities. So just remember that basic gives you knowledge, and this basic knowledge just makes you stronger. And keep working, and you can make it. So have a great day, and I wish it helped you. Thank you. See you next time.